If you'd like to see how I make this 1-point lemon chicken asparagus stir fry, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Welcome back to my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. Today we're going to do a cook with me of a lemon chicken asparagus stir fry. It is a recipe by Skinny Taste and it is really yummy. The ingredients include chicken breast, soy sauce, chicken broth, cornstarch. I use grapeseed oil, ginger, asparagus, lemon, pepper, and some minced garlic. I'm going to take about 1.5 teaspoons of the grapeseed oil and put it in the pan. Then I will take the asparagus, which I cut up into small pieces, about 1.5 inches long, and I will stir fry them into the pan. You can use a wok if you want, but I just used a regular deep pan. Then I will add 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. You can also add 6 cloves of garlic chopped. Next, you add some ginger. It's about 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to stir that up until the flavors mix together. Once that is sauteed and tender, which is about 5 minutes, I'll remove it from the pan and save it after I cook the chicken. Next, I will add another 1.5 teaspoons of the grapeseed oil to the same pan. Then I will take the chicken and add it to the pan. I have cut the chicken up into about 1-inch pieces and lightly salted it before I put it in the pan. I will continue to cook it until it's lightly browned on both sides. Next, I will add some pepper to taste, sprinkled over the chicken. Step is to add the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, which I combined with 1/2 cup of the chicken broth. Then I will mix it around together, simmering it for about 5 minutes. The next step is to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch dissolved in 3 tablespoons of water. And I will add that to the pan and continue to cook for about 2 minutes. The next step is to add the juice of 1 lemon to the mixture and simmer it. And then once that is done, I will stir it up. Next, I will add some more pepper to taste to the mixture. Then once that is simmering, I'm going to add the asparagus mixture and stir it up, and I will remove it from the heat and then serve it. Once the mixture is simmering and getting a little thick, I will serve it up. Each serving is about 1.5 cups and is 1 point, and I served it with Trader Joe's cauliflower rice stir fry, and it was very good. I'll link the recipe below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all my videos. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!